Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 53a, rules of stopping, part 1. Make sure that the last letter becomes sakin in most of the cases when you stop there. That is rule number 1. So for example, if the last letter is fatha, kasra or dhamma, you convert it to sakin. Shakara will become shakar. Wal asri will become wal asr. Or wal fathu will become wal fath. So if you stop at shakara, shakar, wal asri, wal asr, wal fathu, wal fath. Or if you have standing kasra or dhamma, standing inverted dhamma, then you also convert it to sakin. For example, rabbihi, rabbih. Lahu will become lah. So if you stop at rabbihi, rabbih. Lahu, lah. Or if you stop at double kasra or double dhamma, also you convert it to sukun. For example, binaharin will become binahar. Basharun will become bashar. So if you stop at binaharin, binahar. Basharun, bashar. Alright. Now here are the exceptions. If the last letter has a standing fatha, it will remain as it is. Okay, standing fatha will not change. For example, taha, if you stop there, it will be taha. Wadduha will be wadduha. So if you stop at taha, taha. Wadduha, wadduha. Now next rule is if the word ends with double fatha, then you stop with alif mad. So double fatha will become alif mad. For example, tawaban will become tawaba. Hudan will become huda. Ma'an will become ma'a. So if you stop at tawaban, tawaba. Hudan, huda. Ma'an, ma'a. The summary is, in general, you put sukun on the last letter. Except if it has standing fatha, it will be as it is, and if it is double fatha, it will become alif mad. Alright, rule number 4 is if the last letter has shadda, then stop it with shadda. So al-mustaqarru will become al-mustaqar. Don't say al-mustaqar. No, al-mustaqar. As-samiriyu will be as-samiri. And if the last letter is shadda on noon or meme, then stop it with shadda. For example, al-ghammi will become al-gham. Jannun, jan. Okay. And if the last letter is shadda on qalqala letters, then it will be strongest qalqala. So bil haqqi will become bil haqq. Fil hajji, fil hajj. Watabba, watab. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.